Good afternoon, eggheads, or morning or night, wherever you are. This is Kenan with Newegg Now, where we always bring you the best products for the best prices. In this video, I'll be showing you the ORTUR Laser Master 2 Laser Engraver. Watch to the end of the video to hear about a free gift. Okay, so who needs a laser engraver? So many people and so many businesses. All types of shopkeepers and stores use engraving machines to mark their own logos or customer-specific logos, slogans, patterns, etc. on their products. Check this out. I use the ORTUR Laser Master 2 to put on the Newegg Now logo. That's pretty cool, right? Check this out. Imagine a business card like this. Carpenters, coffee shop owners, online shop owners, they all get their logos carved onto their own products, like utensils, trays, coasters, pens, etc. Picture a clothing designer using a laser engraving machine to make artistic creations on her denim clothing, placing an attractive brand logo onto some jeans or a jacket. How about a musical instrument craftsman, right, carving the name of a loved one onto an electric guitar? Winter sports athletes swashing back and forth between moguls with their personalized skis. Other athletes, perhaps with customized logos, like on the bat. You get the idea. Laser engraving is a huge part of the industry. If you or your business use laser engraved products, but you have someone else do that for you, you're just leaving money on the table for someone else. Cut out the middleman. Use the ORTUR Laser Master 2. Right, it brings the power of that industry into your hands. Let's check it out more in depth. All right, so out of the box, you get a pair of goggles. Do not operate the laser engraver without eye protection or laser goggles, please. That's very serious. Safety first. Okay, they give you a little bag here that's got some wooden planks in it, some zip ties. You've got a USB cable, power cable. The engraver itself comes in a few different parts for simple assembly. Putting it together should take only about 10 to 20 minutes. If you're a little slow with directions like me, maybe 25. You've got a large engraving area here. Let's talk about that, right? The body of this machine, the entire body is 550 by 570 millimeters with an engraving area of 430 by 400 millimeters. You know, A3 paper is only 297 by 420, so this engraving area is bigger than a sheet of A3 paper. This extra landscape provides you with more engraving options, like a meadow for creativity. You've got an aluminum profile frame plus structured wiring providing solid structure, smooth operation, and attractive appearance, if I don't say so myself, right? The synchronization shaft mechanical structure allows you to engrave at full speed without any axis issues, and you get really precise engraving with the Laser Master 2. The power range can be set between S0 and S1000 compared to only 0 to 255 with other options. The ORTUR Laser Master 2 can control the beam more accurately. It can even draw a photo on paper with a high-powered laser unit. An 8-bit laser, it can't really do that. We were actually able to engrave a cake. We raised this machine up and engraved a cake, so we'll give you a look at that too. To speak more to the software, ORTUR's Laser Master firmware is smart, fast, accurate, and really easy to use. Featuring a professional motherboard with 32-bit MCU, it can pre-process 32 instructions and supports up to a 921,600 baud rate, making it impressively powerful. Baud rate is a unit that refers to instructions per second. All right, the engraving speed can be as high as 9,000 millimeters per minute and capable of hitting as high speeds as 1,000 millimeters per second if you're not too concerned with accuracy. That's crazy fast. Maybe some unique pieces of art could even be created if each model is slightly different. You know, you could turn them into unique NFTs. Jeez, I'm practically giving away money at this point. You can use laser GRBL or light burn. it is compatible with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, and Linux. Laser GRBL is the most popular sculpting software in the world. You can import images of different formats. You can edit in Photoshop, Inkscape, CAD, etc. Then connect to Engraver via GRBL laser to engrave and cut away. All right, enough talk. Let's see how it works. Okay, I know I promised a gift. We have a special event, okay? We hope that the ORTUR engraving machine users can actively share their engraving creations and share their feedback in our comments and reviews section. All right, so once this is all live and you see this and you buy this and you use it, go ahead and show off your engraving work in the comment section. The first 30 people to do so can get this Y-axis rotary roller engraving module for engraving cylindrical objects totally for free. Okay, and that's it, Eggheads. An incredible laser engraving device. It comes with multiple power options on the site. Depending on availability, of course, you'll see one of 3 options: 7 watt, 15 watt, and 20 watt. That's for power input, not output. Okay, if you're only going to engrave and do 0 cutting, you might want to choose the lower power units. Just save yourself some money on your power bills. These tips are why you always come to me. I'm dedicated to helping you find the best stuff for the best prices. And if you really want to treat yourself, ORTUR also has a hot new product, the Laser Master 2 Pro. Newly upgraded with the latest motherboard, laser engraver module with smaller focus, smoother engraving, higher engraving accuracy, and an engraving speed increase of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. At the same time, it also supports ORTUR offline control screen. Experience the latest model and write your engraving experience and pictures of your work into the comment section. Go ahead and share that stuff. You'll get the Y-axis rotation module worth $139 completely for free if you're one of the first 30 people. Ladies and gents, the ORTUR Laser Master 2 and Laser Master 2 Pro. For specific prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know. What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. I'm personally really excited about this product, the LIAN Unifan SL120 RGB fan kit. Without a doubt, without a stutter, one of the best fan kits out there these days. They also have the 140mm version, which has almost all the same features, just slightly different RPM and airflow CFM. Let's not waste any time and open the dang box. Here we go. In the box, you get instruction manuals, 12 screws. You get your hub, double-sided foam so you can attach the hub to the inside of your case. That's really helpful. 3 cable module connectors. You get 1 SATA power cable, 1 USB cable, 1 5-volt 3-pin cable, PWM cable, RGB color cable, all the necessary cables to get everything connected. And of course, the main show, 3 beautiful 120mm aRGB fans. Now, before I dive into the incredible functionality, let's appreciate this build quality, this, dare I say, art. Now, this is high dining, my friend. I'm really not kidding or exaggerating here. These are not your run-of-the-mill mills. All right, they've got these aluminum accents on the side. Check that out. Nice aluminum in the center. It's not just dinky plastic. These boast fluid dynamic bearing technology and extra magnetic force that reduces turbulence and noise while increasing overall working efficiency. Notice each corner has anti-vibration rubber, minimizing vibration and sounds, for better stability, improving the user experience. The LED strips are not your standard circles either, right? We see the standard circles in tons of fans. Check these out. They've really done something kind of original here. Quite modern, angular design. Okay, it's going to give a very unique look inside the case.
LED strips are on both sides as well, so they can be mounted either way and you'll still see the light. There are 32 addressable RGB LEDs embedded in each fan, 16 on either side. The light's going to shine through a diffuser in here, so you'll get really even light from all angles, no LED hot spots. You're going to get really vibrant effects out of this. It's a fact. These are premium fans. I'm going to get them installed into this case so you can check it out. But before I do that, I want to show off their absolutely genius modular design. Let's say I want to install 3 fans in unison. What I'll do is I'll first take 2 fans and interlock them like so. Ooh, that is so cool. Let me get the third one locked in here. Ah, I love it. Awesome, awesome. Each fan features a cable module with a pin-to-pin contact point to receive power and signal. One second, let me plug a cable module right in here. Okay, now we are cooking. Okay, each cable module can support up to 4 UNI fans. I've got 3 here, but it can support up to 4. This allows you to use either a single fan or 4 from one cable module. Check this out. I've attached the cable module to the hub, okay, but only one cable goes to the hub. So that means with one hub that has 4 module ports, you can support up to 16 fans with just 4 cables. That's crazy. It's genius. LIAN is truly inventing the game here. They allow you to maximize fans, maximize airflow while obliterating the number of cables running around your case. Once you have the hub installed to SATA power on the motherboard, I recommend the system setup to use LIAN's L-Connect software. With their software, you'll be able to control and adjust fan RPM, colors, brightness, and lighting effects super easily. To set that up, you'll have to connect the USB connector to a spare header on your motherboard. So beautiful. So I've got them hooked up to power now, obviously. With the L-Connect software, we can explore and enjoy a ton of different lighting effects as well. Right now, we see the 120mm fans working in all their glory. Each fan has 7 blades, giving a nice large volume and pressure, stable airflow, really silent. These will ramp up all the way to 1900 RPM, airflow up to 58.54 CFM, and barely any noise, as low as 17 dBA, which is quieter than rustling leaves. Did you know rustling leaves scan in around 20 dBA? I'm sometimes an audio nerd, but yeah, you've got to run these at full power before you even start to hear much. That's the takeaway here. So all in all, this is an incredible package, just truly revolutionary. Like I said, LIAN is changing the game. They are not running with the herd. They've changed up the outer design of the fans, given that aluminum top shelf design. The LEDs aren't that traditional circle, giving you the unique modern angular look. The fact that each modular cable supports a daisy chain of 4 fans, giving you up to 16 fans in one hub, just unheard of. You would normally need multiple hubs for this. The amount of cables would be ridiculous. Your motherboard might not even have that many available headers, right? So LIAN has done a lot for us with the Unifan SL120 aRGB fan kit. Buy a few of them, do the daisy chain, create an incredible look. This would be great for you or any gamer friends of yours who appreciate high-end technology. That's what this is, high-end tech at an affordable price. They also have the kit in 140mm, so check that out if you want. My dear Eggheads, the LIAN Unifan SL120 aRGB fan kit. Let us know what you think in the comments or reviews. I say it's a buy. I think this really stands apart from the herd. For specific prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.
What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. If you're rummaging around the internet for a universal docking station that supports dual displays, please look no further. The solution to all of your problems, right here. The Wavlink USB-C Ultra 5K Universal Docking Station. That's right, I said 5K. Let's open the box.
Okay, so this is everything you get in the box. You get a quick start guide, information cards, okay, one DC 20 volt certified power adapter, one USB-A to C cable, one USB-C to C cable, and the USB-C Ultra 5K universal docking station itself. All right, it is fully compatible with USB Type-C, Type-A, and Thunderbolt 3 laptops and desktops. That means it is fit for the future. This is the latest technology. That means you're gonna get more mileage for your money. All right, that's always very important. A lot of universal hubs out there aren't so universal anymore. All right, some only support up to USB 3.0. This is compatible on computers with USB-C and Thunderbolt 3. All right, they've included the USB-C and USB-A to C cables. So let's take a closer look here. Nice compact design. It's gonna look pretty professional on your desk. All right, on the front you'll see 4 super speed USB 3.0 ports, getting you up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speed, as well as headphone and mic jacks. Really maximize the performance capability of your machine. Of course, these ports are still backwards compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1 devices, and you're good to go with hot swapping. Almost said what swapping. Good to go with hot swapping. So plug in your keyboard, mouse, optical drive, USB, foot massager, you name it, unplug and plug back in at will, no problem. On the back, 2 more super speed USB 3.0 ports. That means 6 USB 3.0 ports in total. 1 USB-C in port. You got your gigabit Ethernet jack right here, and some display ports. All right, let's talk about the display. This supports up to 5K display. Output up to 5120 by 2880 at 60 Hertz. How about that? How do we get the 5K, you ask? Well, they have it broken down here on a little diagram. All right, so when you use the dual display ports, you have 2 dual display ports. If you use them simultaneously with a 5K monitor, that's how you're gonna get the 5K. All right, the Wavlink Ultra 5K docking station also supports dual 4K display. You can achieve this in 3 different ways. You can use 2 4K HDMI video, or 2 4K display ports, or 1 of each. You could use 1 4K HDMI and 1 4K display port. 4K output will be up to 4096 by 2160 at 60 Hertz. And again, you get the 5K by using both display ports simultaneously. Wavlink offers you a lot of flexibility with this device. It supports USB to display. You get distinct mode, extended mode, mirrored mode, primary display, obviously. You can extend left, right, above or below, or rotate 90, 180, or 270 degrees. So this is going to accommodate anyone who has 2 monitors literally for any reason. Gaming, architecture, doctor's office, stock market, day traders, all right? You're all going to love this. And compatibility is very wide-ranging. You can use this with any Windows XP 7, 8, or 10 machine. You can also use this with Mac OS 10.6 and onwards. Mac OS 10.13.4 to 10.13.6 has single extended display support with AirPlay. No support on Linux or Unix or ARM-based Windows operating systems like Surface RT, for example. Also, the docking station does not support power delivery function, all right? But you will get to use up to 6 USB 3.0 devices simultaneously, all good for hot swapping. You got your Ethernet connection, headphone and mic jack. You'll get either dual 4K display or a single 5K display. You get multiple viewing modes, distinct, extended, mirrored, etc. My dear Eggheads, the Wavlink Ultra 5K Universal Docking Station. Please let us know what you think of this product in the reviews and comments. For current pricing, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.
Hey guys, it's Josh here with Newegg Now, where we're bringing you some of the coolest new tech products at the most affordable prices. I am so excited to be showing you this product today for so many reasons, and we will get down to it very soon. But first, let me introduce the product that we are going to be looking at today. This is the AOSTIRMOTOR S18 Electric Mountain Bike. I absolutely love mountain biking, and so I am so excited to be showing you this amazing piece of kit and try it out. So I will start by telling you that this bike features a 750 watt motor, which provides a strong driving force, as well as a long endurance and removable 48 volt 11.6 Ah lithium battery, which supports 28 miles per hour speed, which is pretty fast. Furthermore, the charging time ranges between 4 to 6 hours, which really is not that long given the amount of power that this thing has. The S18 e-bike actually has 3 working modes. Let me tell you all about them. First, we have the electric mode, which is when you are using the battery as full power. All you need to do is select 1 to 5 gear and twist the throttle right here. Then we have the power assisted mode. This has a 5-level boost ranging from 20 to 80%. So you can choose how much power assistance you want while you are riding. We also have the full-on riding mode, which works just like a normal bike. So how far can this thing go? The max range distance is from 37 to 50 miles. That's 37 miles when powered by throttle and 50 miles of range when pedal assist is used. It is also important to note that it can support up to 300 pounds of weight. This is a real mountain bike and is built for all terrains, as you can probably see. It has shock absorption and a 6061 aluminium alloy frame. In the front, the S18 has hydraulic lockout suspension to absorb energy while riding downhill, and you can lock it when you're going uphill. We just have this lock switch here, which is really easy to use. To keep the ride more comfortable and enjoyable, you need to adjust the rebound on your damping right here, and this is just on the left. With rebound damping, you can control the speed of extension of compression suspension after a hit. And if this damping is too low, your suspension will extend a bit too quickly. You will feel the bounce and it might be a bit too out of control. If the damping is too high, your suspension won't recover quickly enough after, and repeated hits will pack down. So spend some time working out your perfect damping, and it's pretty easy to use. These little controls here, you will find something that is comfortable for you. In the back, we have this spring shock to prevent overly bumpy rides. As an all-terrain bike, the sleek streamlined contour accentuates the unique style of your ride. So let's look at some of the size specs of this bike. It is about 6.4 feet in length and 3.6 feet in height, and it is suitable for adults from 5.4 feet to 6.2 feet in height, with a seating height which can adjust from 2.9 inches to 3.3 inches. This electric mountain bike uses a 26-inch by 4-inch fat profile tires, providing great traction. You'll have no problem cruising across the beach, snow, gravel, rain, dirt, sand, and even ice for the ultimate electric biking adventure. It comes 90% pre-assembled, so you just need a little time to assemble. And this fat tire e-bike uses a strong aluminium alloy frame. It's equipped with front and rear lights and front and rear Tektro disc brakes. It has a SHIMANO outer 7-speed as well as front and rear fenders to prevent muddy water splashes. Even if this bike runs out of power, the human riding mode will be very easy for you, so you're always going to be able to be on the move. The electric bike is equipped with an LCD display. You can set the wheel diameter, speed, backlight, mileage unit, riding mode, and PAS, that's pedal assist gear. The LCD screen displays battery power, speed, mileage, gear, and wattage. You can charge your phone through the LCD display as well. As we can see, this is an amazing mountain bike that is going to allow you to take on any environment or terrain with confidence. I've been Josh with Newegg Now. See you next time.
Hi, I'm James and welcome back to Newegg Now. If you're about to start building a new PC or you're just looking for a stylish new case for the parts you already have, keep watching. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Montech Air X ATX gaming case. Alright, let's start with a look at the outside. You'll notice the case is equipped with translucent glass panels which clearly display the RGB lighting inside. The glass panels use a sliding mechanism that eliminates the need for mounting holes. So far, pretty modern and convenient. In terms of the RGB lighting going on inside here, the case comes with two pre-installed 200mm fans and one 120mm fan, combined with mesh panels and honeycomb vents, allowing for really good ventilation. This honeycomb vent design on the top, the rear, and the bottom as well, and also above the PSU chamber, it all guarantees plenty of airflow to the interior components, thus optimizing thermal management. The magnetic dust filter on top here protects internal components from dust accumulation without impeding any of the airflow. There's a total of 3 dust traps found in the front, the top, and the bottom of the case, which make the case really easy to clean up. Getting back to aesthetics, each pre-installed fan here comes equipped with an LED light loop, which gives off very nice lighting coverage. All of these aRGB fans are already connected to the controller hub, providing easy access and control to some of the unique lighting modes through the use of the LED button on the I/O panel. Now you can also connect this directly to your motherboard if you have a 5-volt 3-pin addressable RGB motherboard. That's pretty convenient. All you need to do is just press and hold the LED button 1.5 seconds to pass control of the lighting to the motherboard itself. If these fans are not enough for you, expand away. The case supports a maximum of 6 fans or radiators in different sizes. The front panel supports up to 3 120mm fans or 2 140 or 200mm fans, or a radiator up to 280mm. The top panel supports up to 2 120 or 140mm fans or a radiator up to 280mm. So you've got options. Some other notes: the case supports a maximum GPU card length of 340mm, maximum CPU cooler height of 163mm, PSU support for up to 200mm. For motherboards, it supports ITX, MATX, ATX, and eATX with a max 305 by 330mm. Lastly, the cable management inside here is pretty solid. It has rubber grommets and Velcro cable ties around the motherboard, keeping your cables in check. The I/O panel includes 2 USB 3 ports, a USB 2 port. It also has HD audio jacks here, a reset button, and a power button, along with the aforementioned LED button that will help control your aRGB fans. So here I'm just going to press the LED button on the I/O panel to cycle through some of the unique light settings. That's the Montech AirX ATX gaming case. If you're looking for a stylish new case, check out the product link in the description below. For chairs, laptops, gaming accessories, and other gadgets, head over to Newegg.com for more great deals. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, I'm James, and welcome back to Newegg Now. You just can't build a proper PC setup without a good power supply, and we've got a great one for you here today. Here's the Montech 650 watt power supply. So this power supply is part of the Century series, which provides premium power supply units in 550, 650, and 850 wattages. It has an 80+ gold efficiency rating, full modular cables, a premium FDB fan, and 100% high quality Japanese capacitors. It also features superior full bridge LLC resonant converters together with DC-DC circuitry. So what does this all mean? Well, this power supply is made from trusted parts and built to save on energy consumption. It's compatible with any x86 CPU and has been optimized for all Intel's processors to maximize energy savings. If you're an AMD user, don't worry, this optimization won't affect you. It will work with your AMD as well. According to the testing report on the 80+ website, under 20, 50, 100% loads, the unit's efficiency is 89.76, 90.41, and 87.64% respectively. So remember, you need a PSU that can handle the total power draw of all of your PC components combined, but any PSU is most efficient at 50% of its total capacity. So it'll save you some money on your electricity bill and reduce the heat in your computer's system, which will prolong its life. In terms of performance, its premium fluid dynamic bearing, that's FDB fan design, means it generates less noise and heat than most other bearing fans. It boasts reduced friction and vibration due to the lubrication of the bearing surface, which translates into better performance and a considerably longer lifespan. The fully modular cable design allows the user to disconnect the cables from the power supply side if they're not needed for your specific configuration. This can help free up space inside the case and improve cable management. and allow more room for airflow within your case. That's the Montech Century 650 watt power supply. If you want a reliable 650 watt power source for your system, check out the product link in the description below. For desks, laptops, gaming accessories, and other gadgets, head over to newegg.com for more great deals. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.